Hello friends, welcome to my channel Focus on Science. Today's topic is water. Earth is known as the blue planet because a major part of its surface is covered with water. About 97% of water on Earth is salt water present in seas and oceans. More than 2% of water on Earth is trapped in glacier ice at the north and south poles. Less than 1% of water on Earth's surface is usable by humans. We use it for drinking, transportation, industry and many other purposes. There are two main sources of water, surface water and underground water. Water present on the surface of the earth is called surface water. Rainwater. Rainwater is purest form of natural water. It gets collected in ponds, lakes, rivers and seas. The first shower of rain brings down dust particles, smoke, chemicals and dissolved gases present in atmosphere. But subsequent showers are free from impurities. We should collect rainwater as much as possible. River water and lake water. Water in rivers and lakes comes from rain and melting of snow or ice on mountains. River and lake water is used in agricultural field and for drinking purposes. It contains germs, mud, clay, sand, dissolved salts and other impurities. So before using it, we have to purify river or lake water. Next is sea and ocean water. Seas and oceans are the largest sources of water on earth. Sea water contains a large amount of dissolved salts in it. Thus, sea water is called saline water and is salty to taste. The concentration of salt in sea water is called salinity of sea water. It is unfit for drinking and for irrigation purposes. Underground water, well water. Reservoir of water that are found above the impervious rocks are called wells. Tube wells, hand pumps are some ways to obtain the underground water. Spring water. At certain places, the underground water exerts pressure and comes out through cracks on the earth's surface. This water is called spring water. Spring water is free from impurities. But springs that contain significant amount of minerals in their water are called mineral springs. And the springs that contain large amount of dissolved sodium salts, mostly sodium carbonate, are called soda springs. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.